Under caution here, the New Hampshire Motor Speedway, Mark Martin hit the wall up near turn 4, but also Tony Stewart's car, his backup being unloaded because he too has made heavy contact with the wall here at New Hampshire.
Just right before Mark Martin did, you can see down in turn 1 and 2, Tony against the wall, and there's a lot of damage to that car. I think that's the reason Darian Grubb and that group didn't even hesitate to get that backup car unloaded. Now, again, remember the NASCAR rules. If you go to a backup car and you present your car for qualifying this afternoon with the engine you plan on racing, basically you can start where you qualify. I know he went to a backup car at Pocono a few weeks ago, had to start at the rear because that was after qualifying.
You spun any issue, maybe oil or something on the racetrack, Tony?
I don't know. I don't think so. I mean, I got a little bit loose getting in and chasing up the racetrack, just ran out of racetrack, so this is my fault.
On a rider and more fun meter type situation, last night you went to Tom Curley's Thunder Road up in Vermont. Had a great time.
Yeah, I'm a little more worried about this though right now.
All right, we'll catch up with Smoke a little later.